Hello, welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. If you're joining for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, welcome to my channel. My channel is about design in general, but mostly different on-demand design and make you passive income. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around. Make sure you don't click off of the video. I would advise you to watch all tutorials to the end. If you don't know, you might just gain something at the end of the video. This is a tutorial video. This is not supposed to be an entertainment video. It's supposed to teach you how to design. So I always advise you to watch every video to the end, or go straight right into this one. So for this one, I don't want to waste your time. I'm just going to go straight right into it. I don't want to be more than 10 minutes max. I don't want to waste your time on this. So I'm just going to go straight right into it. I will advise you get your cup of coffee or tea, whatever you deem fit, and let's go straight right into it. I'm going to be using Canva.com for this design. So let's open Canva.com. So click on Canva.com. Okay. We'll open on a new tab and we'll start from there. So yes, you can see this is Canva.com. I use it for majority of my designs. So I'm going to hit design, create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4,500. Yes, 5,400. This is the standard. Yes, some people don't like when I go through this part every time, but I have to do it for people who are just joining for the first time. Matter of fact, 90% of my viewers are non-subscribers, so you can imagine how much you people watch this video every time I create one. So that's why I have to go through this critical stage every time. So please bear with me while I do this. So I'm just going to create a new design now. I'm going to open on a new tab and I'm going to go straight right into this one for you. It's going to be a simple design. To start this one, I'm just going to go to elements. Okay, I'm going to be starting off with my elements this time. I'm starting off my element of this one right instead. Okay, this is what I'm starting off with this time. So make sure you stick around, make sure you're always watching. Okay, now you see it has opened up. We're just going to find one we can use. Design. So let's go through. There are a lot of designs you can choose from. Mind you, some are paid design. I'm going to show you how to get this paid design for yourself. Okay, so this is a paid design. As you can see, the design. Okay, it's a paid design. So with this one, we're not using this one for our design. Just make it bigger. So you can see it. I'm using this one. Okay, we're using this one for this design. So now we'll go back to text. And we'll use this one. Click on this start open here. So to make it bigger than what it is right now, I'm going to press my left mouse button and my right click, and I'm just going to try that out. Okay, so I'm going to do all these. Okay, here. So I'm going to ungroup it because I don't want to want on that. So I'm just going to separate that out. There we go. This. Okay, so now I'm just left with this one. Okay, like that. So now we can duplicate this one. And just duplicate that like so. This one was A. Okay. Always a step. Let's duplicate this one again. instead. So now you can see I'm trying to bring out this one so that it matches up. Okay, this is a step. To see how simple this design can be, I'm just going to close this one. Control A, alternate E button, the left mouse button to drag that out. Okay, so I'm just going to say here. As simple as that. You see, it didn't take us much time to create this design. Your design should not be complicated. It should never be complicated. So you can see it says always a step ahead. You can see how easy this design was. It didn't take us a lot of time to create this design for ourselves. So you can just match it up like so. Okay. And just match it up like so. So you can see how easy this was for us to create. Now the good thing is that you need Canva Pro to use premium images, premium text. To get rid of the white background, you need Canva Pro. So I advise you to check the first link in the description to get that for yourself. If you check the first link in the description, right under this video, the first link you open on YouTube right now, and you go up and sign up for the premium version right now. You're going to get a 30 days free of me for yourself. You can use that and enjoy using it. So with that said, I'm just glad you watched to this very end, and I'm just going to hit the download button. You can see you need to be on the premium version to be able to click this, so I'm just going to download this like so. We're going to prepare the downloads. It's going to download for us, and we're going to see it download. Okay, we're going to see it download. Why that happened yesterday. Yesterday's video is happening in today's video again. I don't know why that's always happening. Okay, so now you can see once that happens, just need to download it again. As you can see, we have our design now, and if we go to show folder, we should have our design ready for us to use. Obviously, in my thumbnail, we're going to be seeing that it's not going to have this white background you see here. So obviously, it's not going to have that white background, because I'm going to get rid of the white background, obviously. So with that said, that's done. I'm going to see you on the next one. Please make sure to your right to watch the playlist, to make sure you watch as lot as you can, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed, one love.